Hey guys, welcome back to Bricks on Bricks. I'm gonna build a unusual thing. I'm building a green mixed up with an orange. So after we build it, I'm gonna describe some stuff about it. And right now is Christmas, and so if Christmas is over and you watch this video and you say, hey, it's not Christmas, I'm gonna say this Christmas is Christmas of 2023. Okay, so let's start. First, you're gonna start building the head, which is the fun part. So let's get these nitro see-through light green pieces, stick them together like this, like we did on my Magnum Wither, and then we're gonna get this, put it on the bottom of that one. Then we're gonna get this, and we're doing the same teeth. So do a tall 1x1 with a regular white 1x1 on the top. Do the same thing but across, and then put the rest it with regular tall 1x1s. So it should be looking like that. And then we're doing the same thing on the top part, but a little bit more detailed. We're gonna get the red 1x2 eyes, put them right there. Then we're gonna get some 1x4 tiles, 2 of them, put them on top of them, that red piece for the eyes. Then you're gonna get those 2-sided pieces we used on that Among Us one, put them both on the top of the 1x4 tiles. Then you're gonna close your mouth and see which way you need to put it. Since that one doesn't have no 1x1s, you're gonna put that one right here with a 1x1. Remember what we did right here with the cross? We're just gonna do the same thing across. So put that right there. And one more part for the thing. We're gonna get this, put it right in the middle, right here, so it won't like wiggle. Then your head is done. It's a greenish orange rainbow friend. Okay? So it can open, close, and everything. So let's put that right there. Now moving on to the hard part, you're gonna need all these pieces. First, you're gonna need like a nail ogre piece, and you're gonna get a dark green one, 2x3. Put that ogre nail piece in any of the middle sides. Then you're gonna get any light green 1x2 tile, any of those. Stick it right there. I'm using a see-through nitro type, but you can, you can use whatever type you want to. So get any type of 1x1 greens, put them on the leftover part of that. Then you're gonna get these. Then you're gonna put that. You're gonna get any green 1x2s. Put them right here. And once you do that, you're gonna get over here. Get this. Any greens. I used a nitro type grill part, and a 1x2 dark green tile. But I don't really care what you guys use. Put anything right here, any green. Then get any 1x4 green. I used a nitro type again. And your legs for the thing is done. So you're gonna put that to a side. Then this comes for the fun part. You're gonna get this dark green 1x2. Put it on top of the lightest dark green 1x4. Then get the connector pieces we use in some of our videos. I use nitro type ones because I kind of lost my gray ones. Just use those. And then you're gonna, put like an ender piece at the front start right like that. Then you're gonna get another ender piece, put it right there. Get another one of these grappling hook pieces. Then get another one, a starter piece, put it at the end. Then get any kind of green slopes. I'm using dark green slopes. And your hands are done. Time to get it on. Okay, so the head and the arms are going to be a little crooked. But since it's like a mix-up with orange and green rainbow friends, it's going to be like a radioactive monster. Then you're going to get your head. Put the end of this part on top of that dark green. And there you go. Your radioactive green and orange rainbow friend is done. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. I'm hoping to do something from Friday Night Funkin' in our next video. Bye.
All right, let me get a closer look. Put it down. Here, hold it up.